Busy as a bird is a phrase this rooster sanctuary in Bennett is familiar with, especially when afternoon thunderstorms add to the cleanup list.
This coop right here took Scotty's coop, but we already put it back up. It picked it up and tossed it on its side into that run there and collapsed the fence.
Jewel Johnson, who owns the sanctuary, says the strength of the wind from the afternoon storm is something she's never seen before.
It's been here for 8 years, and that's the first time the wind picked this one up.
She says for her property, the power of this storm blows past anything she experienced from the tornadoes back in May.
The winds were so strong everywhere that's what you could hear. When we had the tornadoes here a couple weeks ago, I wasn't scared, but today I was scared. Like, my heart was beating today.
Jewel says thankfully none of the animals were hurt during the storm.
That's the first thing we did before we made, any cleanup at all, is we went around and checked all the coops, because we've got about 94 coops here.
She says after 15 years on this property, Mother Nature has made her safe haven for animals not feel so safe.
And I've seen 3 tornadoes, and 2 of them have been in the last couple of weeks.
Jewel says despite all of the wind and rain keeping her busy.
Yeah, I've definitely taken some big hail into my back, rushing to get some birds into safety.
She will always weather the storm so she can do what she loves.
A lot of us have a calling, and not everybody can pinpoint what it is, but I think I pinpointed what mine is.
Jewel tells me that she will spend probably the majority of tomorrow still picking up trash and other items that today's storm blew around her property. In Bennett, Colton Chavez, 9 News.